Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be replacing a fuel pump in a 2002 Kawasaki Prairie 650. My uncle was driving up a hill and he said it was kind of acting like it was cutting out, then it cut out and died. When I went up to it, I cut the key off, then cut it back on, and I did not hear a fuel pump hum. I unplugged the plug, checked if it was getting power, and it was getting power. Therefore, I believe that the fuel pump is bad and needs to be replaced. I apologize for the audio because I got a cat constantly meowing at me and a lawnmower both going at the same time. So if you pull the seat off, the fuel pump is right there. I hear the actuator, but no fuel pump. And the kill switch right here is on. Sometimes if you flip that off, you can cut it on, it won't cut the fuel pump on, but this is on, it should come on, and it's not coming on. So obviously the fuel pump needs to be replaced. So it looks like it should be fairly easy to replace a fuel pump, and yes, it actually is. But the big pain in the butt is gonna be having to remove this whole rear fender, take the whole back off, which is not gonna be a fun thing to do because it's probably 1,000 little bitty bolts and clips holding the thing together. Once I get that off, I should be able to get to the fuel tank and unbolt it and be able to slide it out. All right, so that actually wasn't as bad as I thought. I'll give you a quick little rundown. Unbolt these 3 bolts here, unbolt this bolt here, unbolt this, and loosen this back bolt right there. So that way this will hinge back and do the same thing on the other side, and this will just lift up. So here's inside the fuel tank. As you can see, there's a lot of crap in there. So I got this funnel here with a screen on the inside. I'm gonna pour this fuel in that funnel to kind of filter out some of that dirt. It's not gonna catch all of it, but it'll filter most of it out. As you can see, it caught a lot of crap. All right, so I got the new fuel pump. Everything all right here. This is a good one. I'll put a link down below. It says it's OEM quality, but we will see. Here you can see the fuel level gauge. Oh, and here you can see that line right there is split, just disintegrating. All right, so I'm not sure how this is supposed to come out of here. I think you, okay, there we go. Hey. All right, so everything went back together pretty easy, no questionable moments, so let's get the tank back reinstalled. All right. See if it'll start, why not? All right, looks like we're good. And the gas gauge is also working. We're at a full tank. All right, so that's about gonna do it on replacing the fuel pump in this Prairie 650. Give me a note in the comments if you got any questions or anything. If you want to see a full service video, I'll put a link up there down in the description. And you guys should see me in the next one.